And welcome back. It's business as usual on site as I fix the shelves in position with glue and screws using pre-cut spacers to ensure consistency. And with all the shelves fixed, I can mark the positions and staple through the back for a little extra stability. I mentioned how heavy this was. I literally can't lift it. I can drag it along a little bit and hopefully lift up one end onto the plinth and sort of swing it around into the alcove. That's the plan, anyway. Sake. Oh, Jesus. I am completely stymied here. Completely stymied. That's not going to go in. It's just not going to fit. Yeah, I made a big old bookcase that doesn't fit. Join me in the concluding part 5 to see what the heck I did next.